Today we look at Neural4D. Creating 3D models usually takes hours or even days. But with tools like Neural4D you can create production-ready 3D models in under 90 seconds. Prompt to 3D, text to 3D or even image to 3D. Neural4D 2.5 generates production-ready 3D models for game assets, 3D printing or product visualization. Let's go in. So first you go on neural4d.com. Here we have an overview about the tool. Just click free to start. After signing up you come to this page here where I have an overview about the features like the Neural4D 2.0 agent, the text to 3D prompt feature and the image to 3D. Let's look at the agent. So we have a context here where we can generate our 3D models and further editing it. So we have a prompt of a futuristic robot mascot with a LED face panel. Is now processing it, analyzing our prompt and generating the 3D model for us. We will get a preview of it and can download it in FBX, Object or many other extensions. It's ready to use in Blender or other game assets tools. You can also use it for 3D printing. As you already can see here, we have a little preview of the final result. It's still refining the model. The key highlights of the Neural4D platform is the 1 million token precision, clean textures without baked shadows or noise, high poly generation in under 90 seconds, advanced topology reconstruction. It's just great. And here we have the finished result, and as you can see, it's just amazing high quality 3D. We can zoom in, we can rotate it, we can view it without texture. It's just amazing. We have all the information about the vertices and the faces. We can now also download it in different extensions. Let's try the FBX. And now we hop into Blender, for example, import the FBX file. And as we can see here, here is our model with texture right into Blender or your desired game asset tool, ready for printing or other use cases. Easy as that. And here is the power of the Neural4D 2.0. We have the same context here and want to make adjustments like make the mascot in a red color tone. He's using our model now and we'll edit it here. And as we can see, he painted our mascotchen in red, just as we wanted. Easy as that. We can also insert reference images like this one. We have the floating island and we want to put the mascotchen on the island. As you can see, the result is just beautiful, exactly that what we wanted. Powerful, fast and easy to use. Next we look at the text to 3D feature. On the left you have the chat box where you can describe your model you want to generate. Here we have some settings like generate textures for it, generate PBR textures for it. You can generate up to 4 models simultaneously. Let's try it. We have the prompt of an ergonomic screwdriver with a rubber grip and magnetic tip. We want textures, we want physical textures, we want 2 models generated and we just hit generate. And as you can see, the result is just exactly that what we wanted. A screwdriver with a rubber grip. Again, you have some information about the model, the vertices, the faces, ready to use in your 3D project or print it out as 3D. Easy as that. Here another example with a Scandinavian chair with wooden legs and fabric seat. And again, Neural4D just nailed it here. The generation is so fast, it took only a minute. Amazing. Another awesome feature is the image to 3D. As we saw before at the AI agent, you can also use pictures which will be translated into 3D. Here we have a guide for some recommendations. There should be only a single object, the perspective should be fine, or it should be a front view, but it should not be a complex scene with multiple objects, so the AI can generate the single object perfectly. So we have this picture of a black headphone. We want textures, we want 4 models and we hit generate. And here are the results, and as you can see, each one of the generation is just wonderful. He just took our 2D image and made a 3D model out of it. The size, the proportion, it's just wonderful. The textures, even that is just great. The leather here, it's all there. It's just amazing. To the pricing of Neural4D, you have a free membership with 50 power per week. You have access to the text to 3D or image to 3D generation. You can use up to 4 concurrent tasks. On the Pro, you have even more credits and can generate even more concurrent tasks at once and a priority queue for faster generations. If you like Neural4D, just click the link in the description to try it out. See you in the next one.